Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now, Shibadoge in the past 2 days have actually gained about $3.1 million. $3.1 million have been pumping to Shibadoge coin, and the market cap have also increased. Now, today, Shibadoge is definitely increasing in price. Shibadoge have finally gained about $38 million market cap, almost getting to 40 million. Like I said a few days ago, that Shibadoge is heading towards $15 million market cap. Now, I believe before April or May this year, if Shibadoge will continue the way they have been rising recently, the market cap might be hitting over $100 to $200 million. Shibadoge will keep increasing in price. People see this coin as the next Shiba Inu. I believe there's a possibility of Shibadoge deleting between 1 to 5 zeros before the end of 2030. Yes, in the next 7 years, Shibadoge might hit over $1,000,000% increase in price. Now remember, with just $10 or $20 investment on this coin, if Shibadoge deletes between 4 to 5 zeros, you are already a millionaire. Now, I believe it's not easy for Shibadoge to regain, and I believe, yes, Shibadoge can still become the new Shiba Inu that will be creating and making a lot of people millionaires. But remember, if you want to buy and hold this coin, you must to buy what you can afford to lose, because this is crypto industry where anything can happen. And remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Now, Shibadoge recently have been gaining a lot of support. The listing of Shibadoge have also continued. Just recently, we also Bitmart listing this coin. Now, hot bits are in IndoEX, BKEX, Uniswap V2 and Uniswap V3. The number will keep increasing very soon. I believe we might be seeing Albank, we might be seeing Get.io, we might be seeing Kucoin coming in to support this coin. We might be seeing Crypto.com, and I believe very soon Shibadoge is going to become one of the top coins. In the nearest future, many people will be regretting not buying Shibadoge. But please remember, like I said, if you want to buy Shibadoge, buy what you can afford to lose, because this is a memo coin with about 16 zeros. Anything can happen. But I still believe with the way the developers have been working hard towards this coin can become the next Shiba Inu.